ready for a new challenge? Okay, here we go. Ready? Fingers down. Now, are we going to have things out, or are we going to just show on our fingers? Okay, get ready for your fingers. Okay, ready? Oh, oh, how many? Oh, you've got lots of good fingers there too. Okay, ready? Here's what we're going to do. One dot for each finger. How many did you see? 3. 1, 2, 3. How many did you see? 3.
I just like 1, 2, 3.
I think there's 3. What do you guys think? 3's all on the top. Okay. Oh, this one's getting trickier. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
This makes most second graders cry, but I think you're ready. Ready?
Wow.
Remember, you want to show me on your fingers.
How many do you think
Okay.
there are, sweetheart?
1, 2, 3, 4.
So how many fingers do you have to have?
I had 4 fingers.
You did. Put your 4 fingers on there and prove it. Oh, look at that. Nice work.